It was an emotional day in court for a woman accused of stabbing her Navy doctor husband to death.
43-year-old Jennifer Trayers continued testifying in her own defense about the night prosecutors say she attacked her husband after he fell asleep in their North Park condo. News 8's Phil Blauer is live at the Hall of Justice with today's testimony. Phil?
Barbara and Carlo, Jennifer Trayers was on an emotional roller coaster throughout much of her second day of testimony here at court. She wept openly at times during her time on the stand. She also appeared confident, however, when she was telling her version of events leading up to the crime.
I thought maybe it would just be easier on Fred if I wasn't around.
Navy wife Jennifer Trayers broke down as she describes how she planned to take her own life after discovering her husband, Dr. Frederick Trayers, was cheating on her.
How serious were you about potentially hurting yourself when you wrote this paragraph?
Very serious.
Did you have any plans as to how you might do it?
Yes.
Yeah. What were those plans?
I was going to drive off the bridge on my way home from work.
The 43-year-old is accused of stabbing her 41-year-old spouse to death inside the bedroom of their North Park condo in December 2010 after she saw emails and text messages exchanged between her spouse and his mistress.
I grabbed the butcher knife off the counter.
So when you grabbed the butcher knife off the counter, what were you thinking?
How do I get Fred's attention? How do I get him to talk to me?
Prosecutors say Jennifer Trayers attacked her husband after he had taken a sleeping pill and gone to bed. She says she had asked him how she could commit suicide through self-infliction.
I was asking Fred then, where do I stab myself in the chest to kill myself?
What was his reaction to you asking that?
He said lower. Oh, I asked him where does my heart, so I could stab myself in the heart.
Investigators say Fred Trayers was stabbed twice in the chest, 8 times in the back, and had defensive wounds on his hands when he was found dead. His wife was found alive with several superficial stab wounds to her chest area. Jennifer Trayers also testified about a struggle the couple allegedly had before the murder at their Grimm Avenue unit.
I still had the knife up to my chest, and he's grabbing it. I think he's trying to grab it away from me or not, but at that time the knife goes into my chest 3 or 4 times harder while he's grabbing the knife from me.